Your doors do more than just provide access to your home. They safeguard your family, help regulate indoor temperatures, and make a lasting first impression. In Lafayette, where the weather can shift quickly from hot and humid to stormy and damp, your doors endure a lot over time. Knowing when to replace them can improve comfort, energy efficiency, and home security. If you're unsure whether it's time for an upgrade, here are the top signs it's time to replace your doors in Lafayette. Visible wear and damage. One of the most obvious signs is visible deterioration. If your door shows cracks, warping, rust, or peeling paint, it's not just an eyesore, it may be structurally compromised. Wooden doors, in particular, are prone to absorbing moisture from Lafayette's humid climate, which can cause swelling, rot, or mold. Common warning signs: splintering or soft wood, rusted metal doors or framed, dents, cracks, or bubbling paint. The damaged door not only looks unappealing but may also weaken your home's defenses against intruders or bad weather. Drafts and temperature swings. If your home feels chilly in the winter or overly warm near your entryway in the summer, your door might be the problem. Gaps between the door and the frame, or worn-out weather stripping, allow outside air to enter and indoor air to escape. This increases your reliance on heating and cooling systems, leading to higher energy bills. Replacing your old door with a properly insulated, energy-efficient model can greatly improve your indoor comfort and reduce utility costs throughout the year. Difficulty opening or closing the door, or struggling to open, close, or lock your door is a clear red flag. Over time, door frames can shift due to humidity, settling foundations, or repeated use. This misalignment can cause the door to jam, scrape the floor, or resist latching. If your door sticks or squeaks, doesn't sit squarely in the frame, requires force to lock or unlock, it's time to consider a replacement. A new door ensures smoother operation, better security, and a frustration-free experience every day. Rising energy bills. Even if your door looks fine, it might not be performing as well as it should. Older doors, especially hollow core or single-pane glass doors, lack proper insulation. If your monthly energy bills keep creeping up, your entryway may be one of the culprits. New energy-efficient doors are designed with advanced insulation materials, tight seals, and thermal breaks that keep your conditioned air inside and outdoor air out. Moisture or mold around the door. Water stains, mold, or mildew around your door's edges or bottom panel are warning signs that moisture is seeping in. In Lafayette, where heavy rainfall is common, this is especially important to monitor. Moisture can lead to mold growth, a health hazard, wood rot, structural damage, rust on hardware or hinges. If moisture is visible or you feel dampness near the door after storms, it's time for a weather-resistant replacement. Outdated style or poor curb appeal. Your front door is one of the first things guests and potential buyers notice. If your door looks old, doesn't match your home's exterior, or simply doesn't reflect your style, it may be time for an aesthetic upgrade. Modern door options in Lafayette include fiberglass doors that mimic wood without the upkeep, steel doors for maximum durability, doors with decorative or privacy glass. Replacing your door can instantly improve curb appeal and increase property value, especially if you're planning to sell your home. Final thoughts. Your doors work hard every day, protecting your family, saving energy, and welcoming guests. Don't overlook the signs that it might be time for a replacement. Whether it's visible wear, functional issues, or energy inefficiency, a new door can make a world of difference for your Lafayette home. For expert advice and a range of modern, durable, and stylish options, connect with a local door replacement specialist today. Your home deserves it.